The ketogenic, or keto, diet has rapidly gained attention for its potential health benefits, including weight loss and improved blood sugar control. This low-carb, high-fat diet reduces carbohydrate intake drastically, leading to a metabolic state called ketosis. However, one major challenge for those on this diet is the restriction on traditional high-carb foods like bread. With the rising popularity of the keto lifestyle, keto bread has emerged as a delicious and compliant alternative. It uses low-carb ingredients to mimic traditional bread, allowing bread lovers to indulge without breaking their dietary commitments. In keto baking, choosing the right ingredients is crucial not only for maintaining ketosis but also for achieving desirable taste and texture. Almond flour and coconut flour are popular alternatives to traditional wheat flour due to their low carbohydrate content. Psyllium husk powder, often added as a fiber source, aids in binding the ingredients, mimicking the texture of gluten. Substituting these for standard baking ingredients can significantly alter the bread's flavor and structural integrity, making it essential to understand the unique properties and ratios required to produce the best results in keto bread. Achieving the perfect keto bread starts with the right tools. Essential baking equipment includes mixing bowls for blending ingredients, measuring spoons, and a digital scale for precise ingredient measurement, crucial in keto recipes where ratios significantly impact the final product. Silicone baking mats provide a non-stick surface, ensuring that breads cook evenly without sticking. Using these tools ensures that each component is accurately measured and mixed, key factors in successful keto baking. This precision contributes to consistent results in texture and flavor, essential for satisfying keto-friendly bread creations. For the keto baker, certain specialty items can be game changers. Loaf pans designed specifically for keto bread help in achieving the right shape and consistent heating, crucial for the bread's texture. Parchment paper is another vital tool, providing a non-stick surface that ensures breads come out cleanly without altering carb counts. Additionally, some modern bread machines come equipped with settings tailored for low-carb breads, simplifying the baking process while ensuring optimal results. These specialized tools enhance the baking experience, making it easier to produce keto-friendly loaves that satisfy both dietary needs and taste preferences. To master keto bread, understanding the intricacies of mixing, proofing, and baking is crucial. Start by thoroughly mixing dry ingredients to ensure even distribution, critical for texture consistency. Proofing isn't needed for all keto breads, but when required, maintain a warm environment to help with rising. Baking should be at the right temperature to prevent overbrowning while ensuring the bread is cooked through. After baking, proper storage is key. Store bread in an airtight container or freeze slices to retain freshness and prevent them from drying out. These techniques help achieve the perfect taste and texture for keto-friendly bread.